Let's learn how to change screen refresh rate. If we maximize this refresh rate, we can see a detailed look. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and click on display and brightness option. Scroll down a little bit. In here, you can see refresh rate option. Click on it. Now this is the default refresh rate. You can customize it. Click on custom button. After, you can see the refresh rate 60 Hz and 90 Hz. You can set into 90 Hz. After, you can see a good detailed view on your mobile screen.